The importance of employee performance reviews for Costa Oil franchisees. Employee performance reviews are a critical component of human resource management within any organization, and this holds especially true for franchise operations like Costa Oil. These reviews not only help in assessing an employee's performance over a certain period, but also play a pivotal role in the development of employees, the enhancement of their job satisfaction, and the overall success of the franchise. Key benefits: improved performance. Regular reviews provide employees with clear expectations and feedback on their work, helping them understand how to improve and contribute more effectively to the franchise's goals. Employee development. Performance reviews can identify areas for professional growth, helping employees to develop their skills further and advance in their careers. Motivation and engagement. Recognizing employees' achievements and discussing their career aspirations can significantly boost their motivation and engagement with their work. Retention. By addressing concerns and valuing employee contributions, franchises can increase employee satisfaction and retention, reducing the costs associated with high turnover. Alignment with goals. Reviews ensure that employees' efforts are aligned with the strategic goals of the Costa Oil brand, maintaining consistency in service and operations across franchises. Steps for effective employee performance reviews. Preparation. Establish clear, measurable performance indicators that align with the franchise's goals and the employee's role. Collect comprehensive performance data and feedback from various sources, including customer feedback, peer reviews, and self-assessments. Conducting the review. Schedule the review in advance, allowing both the franchisee and the employee to prepare. Create a positive and open atmosphere to encourage honest and constructive dialogue. Use specific examples to discuss performance, focusing on behaviors and results rather than personal traits. Listen actively to the employee's perspectives and concerns, fostering a two-way conversation. Goal setting. Collaboratively set realistic and challenging goals for the next period, ensuring they are aligned with both the franchise's objectives and the employee's career aspirations. Develop a clear action plan for achieving these goals, including any necessary support, resources, or training. Follow-up. Document the key points discussed, including agreed-upon goals and any action plans. Provide regular feedback and check-ins to support the employee's progress towards their goals, rather than waiting for the next formal review. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and update the performance review process itself to ensure it meets the needs of the franchise and its employees. Encourage a culture of continuous feedback and development within the franchise, beyond the formal review process. By prioritizing effective employee performance reviews, Costa Oil franchisees can ensure their teams are engaged, high-performing, and aligned with the values and goals of the Costa Oil brand, driving success and customer satisfaction.